Hi everyone, Joe Ordia here for Solar Surge, and I wanted to take a moment to wish everybody in the Solar Surge audience a very happy Thanksgiving. Now, as you all know, we like to come to you on the holidays with the best offers of the year, and that's no different with Thanksgiving and then Black Friday right after that. So I'm happy to announce today our Solar Surge Black Friday sale. We're going to be offering the $1,000 cash back at install for all new customers that sign up between now and November 30th. So again, the Black Friday offer is a $1,000 cashback incentive at the time of your solar installation for all new solar clients that sign up between now and November 30th. So folks, we'd like to thank you all for keeping up with us on the Solar Surge channel, and we hope that our videos have been helpful for you in your solar research and evaluation process. Of course, if you haven't gotten designs yet and you're interested in what solar power options might look like for your home, then feel free to reach out to us on the link below. It'll just take you to our website, let you schedule a short virtual meeting with one of our system designers, and really just see what the options are available for your home and what your savings might be and what the numbers would look like for you. Well, folks, thanks again for tuning into the Solar Surge channel today. As always, I'm Joe Ordia, encouraging you to get prepared and be empowered. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.